Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, December 14th, 2023. Let's find out what is going on the Forex economic calendar for today. As you can see, I got only the most important events of today because there's plenty of them. So yesterday the Fed held the interest rate at the level of 5.5%, and today we got another interest rate decisions from Swiss National Bank. This one is scheduled at 9:30, and the market participants expect SNB to hold the interest rate at 1.75. At 10 o'clock there's press conference. At 1 o'clock p.m. there is Bank of England interest rate decision, and Bank of England is expected to hold the interest rate at the level of 5.25. At 2:15 there is a European Central Bank interest rate decision, and market participants expect the ECB to hold the interest rate at the level of 4.50. So we got 3 interest rate decisions today alone: Swiss National Bank, Bank of England, and European Central Bank. Then at 2:30 we got core retail sales, and initial jobless claims data from the US. Very important data. And 15-minute rates later we got the ECB press conference. Very busy day. It might get very violent today on all of the major markets. So in order to prepare to this, let's switch to the euro dollar first and see what is going on there. Yesterday interest rate decision from the Fed put the euro higher, and the 1 hour chart, there is a visible, let me just switch, there's a visible big candle on the 1 hour chart, and this candle just hit the very important technical resistance, but then we got some sort of the reversal. As you can see, the market managed to move towards the level of 1.0916, and now it is consolidating there around this level. We bounced a little bit above the key technical resistance, because the key technical resistance was located at 1.0896, but those levels here currently are extremely overbought, so we expect the market to move lower. However, again, please notice the fact that the interest rate decision from the European Central Bank might get the the market rate again very violate. We got some pin bar at the top of the move, and this pin bar closed below the key technical resistance, and then it looks like the next 4-hour candle will be red, and it looks like a pin bar as well. So it's a good confirmation for now that the top is in place. Let's just see what was the retracement here, how much the market retraced from the low to the high. So let me just place the low here and the high is here. So as you can see, and I just need to take this big thick line here, and the retracement was at 61%. So you can see it here. The 61% is exactly at the level of 1.0907, and the market hit this level as well. So the 61% has been retraced, and the market is ready to return to the down move. Of course, we need to wait for the short-term trend line to be violated again. We can of course can make the channel here. So the upper channel line will act as the temporary technical support. Nevertheless, it all looks like the movement to the downside is about to happen, is about to be made by the market participants. So very nice situation on the euro. Let's make some screenshot. Please notice the fact European Central Bank interest rate decision will be made soon. Now, the next central bank who will make a decision is, of course, the Bank of England, and this is the same situation that we observe on the euro dollar because of the yesterday's Fed's interest rate decision. We bounced from the technical support at 1.2501 and we broke above this technical resistance 1.2613, and the market tested the technical resistance located at 1.2650. Now this is the key technical resistance. We are trading above 50 and 100 periods moving average. Nevertheless, it doesn't look like this market is going anywhere higher. There is still some room to the upside, but the momentum is reversing already, and of course the interest rate decision by the Bank of England might completely change the current outlook. So we will keep our scenario that we have here on this chart. So any breakout below the technical support 1.25 would open the road towards the lower levels. For example, let me just place the correct level here. Where's the magnet here? The technical support at 1.2448. So let's just wait for the market to decide which way it wants to go, and definitely the interest rate decision by the Bank of England might, of course, trigger some increased volatility. So please stay focused. So that was the British pound, and let's just take a look at the US dollar to the Swiss franc because of the interest rate decision by the Bank of Swiss National Bank. So what do we have here on the US dollar to the Swiss franc? We got the lows at 8,555. This is the key technical support, and of course we got the key technical resistance. Right now this technical resistance is located at 9,196. So this is the range that we are taking into the consideration. 9,246, sorry, that's the correct level. And if we place a line here, I think we should do the channel, not only the line, but we should do the channel here. So let's use the parallel channel, the standard channel here on this chart, because it looks like we are moving inside the channel, and as you can see, this movement here looks very, very substantial. So okay, let me just move it here. That's not a problem, and then we will extend our channel lower like this, and the lower line, okay, the lower line should go even okay. It's a little bit convenient to do it and faster to do it like this because there's some confusion here, and it's obvious that this market is moving inside of this channel. Okay, so right now there isn't any big technical support here. We bounced, of course, from the level of 8,666. all right, but today we already managed to test it just ahead of the interest rate decision, and then of course from the upside there is a very nice technical resistance located at 8,888. Otherwise we are trending down below 150 periods moving average on a daily time frame chart, which is another very interesting situation here. So any movement lower would eventually expose the level of 8,551 for a test. The recent bounce from extremely oversold area managed to move up just slightly. We didn't hit the level of 50. So let me just place the horizontal line so you guys can see the level of 50. It's still far away The market is still far away from this level. Let's say it is here. So the bears are in charge of this market, and it looks like the bears want to push this market way lower, maybe, just maybe even the yearly lows, because that lows here is from the middle of the July 2023, and this is the key technical support for the 2023. So if there is any movement to the downside, we might see the test of this level soon. But interest rate decision by the Swiss National Bank is scheduled for release later on today. Please stay focused during this data release. I think that's enough for today. We covered 3 most important pairs for the markets today. We got euro dollar, we got cable, and American dollar to the Swiss franc because of the interest rate decision that are scheduled for release from 3 major banks. So please stay focused. Please notice that the volatility during the news release might increase, and then there might be a replay from the volatility increase during the press conference for each central bank. Okay, so please stay focused during this time as well. For today, that's everything from me. Please leave the comment, leave the like, subscribe to this channel if you want to stay up to date with the other technical analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care. Bye bye.